Hi, how you doing? I'm Side from affiliate.com. In this video, we're gonna create a brand logo for your affiliate website. Okay, so no matter what type of business you're in, including affiliate marketing, having a brand and logo can certainly give you an edge. When it comes to building any business, building a solid brand is crucial to growing a sustainable long-term affiliate marketing business. Okay, so your brand logo is what will separate you from the sea of other affiliate marketing, so that you stand out and be your own instead of being the same as everyone else. So here are the top 3 benefits of having your own affiliate marketing business website logo. So number 1 is great website logo can instantly and professionally establish you as a brand in your niche. Number 2, a great logo will provide you with distinct identity so that you can appear unique and one and only, thus helping to separate your business, affiliate business, from your competition. Number 3, a great logo can help in building the know, like, and trust factor between your audience and you, which is utmost importance for generating sales, right? So those are just a few important benefits of why you must have a logo. It's strongly recommended to have your logo to increase your chance of success in affiliate marketing. So with that said, we're going to go through a tool that you can use that will almost help you create a logo for your affiliate website, effortlessly. Okay, so you don't need to be a graphics expert, or you don't need to have a Mac with the creative. You don't have to be a creative type, as you'll be using this tool that will kind of do most of the design work for you. Okay, so the tool is called Canva. It's an online cloud-based graphics creation and editing app. It's one of the best, in my opinion, for people, best graphic design tools for people who are not graphic designers. It's also easy to use, and you create professional looking logos in just minutes, right? So best of all, it has a free membership to start with, which is sufficient enough to create beautiful looking logos. So first of all, you're going to go to canva.com, right? And you're going to sign up for free with your email, Facebook, or Google account. So there's a screenshot there. And next, you're going to go log in. Once you log in, you'll be taken to the dashboard. So on the left side of the dashboard, you can click on templates, and in the search field, just type in logo, right? As you type logo, the results will display logo template designs in various industries. So select the text sector that's closest to your niche. For example, if your industry is computers, then you can select computer logos. It will show some designs, templates that's suitable for computer related businesses. Okay, so once you've done that, select an industry, the page will start to display a number of templates related to the sector that you've selected. Okay, and you can see a screenshot here, all these designs I'll show you. And you just select one that you like to start with, and you can then further customize it to make it your own design. Once you select one, just click on the use template button. Okay, so once you select it, it'll open up that template, and design app will launch with the template loaded up. Okay, so design app is split into 2 panes: left pane and the right pane. The right pane is for designing, and the left pane is for the massive range of design elements available to use in your designs to enrich and personalize your designs. So in the right pane, you can simply click on any element of your design, and you can edit or change it so easily, very easily, and you can try it and see. You will enjoy it definitely, because it's very easy and simple to use. Okay, in the left pane, you will see all the design tools as mentioned, and elements that you can use to further customize the template to your preference, to your design, the design to your preference. Sorry. So you'll notice on the left is also you can add photos, elements, text, background, and some templates available as well. And to add an element, you can double click on the element or drag and drop onto the design page on the right, and it will just drop on your design area. Okay, so within the design pane, as you click on each element, right, you will see tools such as colors, fonts, spacing, and useful tools to customize your design in your element further. Okay, you can also change the whole template if you want, the whole design very quickly. If you want to change the whole design, you simply click on a template from selection of templates as shown on the left pane. Okay, the whole template will then instantly replace your existing one, ready for further editing on the right hand pane of the app. So once you're happy with your logo, on the top right of the app, you can click on download. You can select whichever format you want, but the best quality is usually PNG format, so I just always go for the PNG format, sometimes JPEG as well. And then Once you've done that, it'll download onto your at the wherever location that you wanted to download. It'll download onto your computer, and you can also create a logo, your own logo from scratch if you wanted to, without having to use a template. Again, it's easily done from the dashboard. Just click on create a design, and in the search box select custom design tool feature. Okay, and the design app will launch as usual, and at this point you can use the tools as mentioned in step 2 from the left pane and to create your own unique design. Okay, so that was it, a quick and easy way to create a professional logo on your affiliate for your affiliate website. And if you want to build an affiliate marketing business for the long term, so that you can reap the ongoing financial reports that you need rewards, you need to build a brand. Okay, and having a brand logo is one of the important elements for your affiliate marketing business. Okay, so before we end this video, I'm just going to show you quickly a quick demo of the Canva app. Okay, so I'm just going to load the app. So as you can see here, I created my affiliateship.com with the Canva. It's a basic logo, I know, but I'll probably change it later on. But just to show you, look here, I can change anything. I can change the writing, text. I simply just click on it, and it'll just start. You can start editing it. You can change the logo, the background element. I can make it big, small, and also if I show you the elements as well here. So as you can see, you got all these photos and stuff. I can simply select an element. So let's say I want to select this one. Boom. I just clicked on it. Actually, you can actually you don't have to double click. Actually, you can just click on it, single click, and it'll just appear. And I said double click, but you can just single click, and it will just appear and on your screen. So remember I mentioned about templates, that if you wanted to change the templates, you can change it instantly. So let's say you didn't like this template, you can simply just select any template here on the left, right? Say for example I wanted this one. You select it, boom, and just straight away instantly replace the whole template. And it's very easy. So that's it for now for this video. Easy, quick way to create your a web logo for your affiliate website using Canva. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and comment. And if you like more stuff like this, please visit affiliateship.com/newsletter for more tips like this. And thanks again, and all the best.